I'm back. You back in Hyperkurl's world. Now look, I have a cute little project. Yes. But before we get into this project, I want you to do what? I want you to like, because I want to know that you want me to keep on coming back. And 2, I want you to subscribe. Don't be a guest, be a family member. Be part of this little community we're building. So let's build it together. But let's get into this project. And today we're going to be upscaling this plain task light. This task light has been used for everything. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to take these beads I got from Hobby Lobby. They're $17.99, but at the time I got them half off. And if you don't get them half off, you can at least get 40%. So don't forget about that coupon code when you go to Hobby Lobby. It's on your phone. Pull it up. And I also got this jewel picker to help me pick these up, because look, I don't have no nails or nothing, so I need this. And I'm going to use this tape because I'm going to wrap the neck of the task lamp with the tape, because I don't want that to be white, so I just want that to stay silver. And I'm going to use, I'm most likely going to use this one, a cement, contact cement glue. I'm probably going to use this one. I think this is going to work. This one I got from the dollar store. It's a Tacky Glue, and I'm not sure, but I got my money bet on this one. And see, and I think that's it. So just enjoy the process. Okay guys, right here, I almost messed my little lamp up. That contact cement, first of all, it was yellow and it was taking off my paint. So I had to recover from that and start using the Tacky Glue. But besides that, it was fun. And I just had to get a hang of that picker. If that picker get a little lint or some glue on there, it does not want to pick up anything. So I had to get a hang of that picker also. But after that, it was on and popping. And I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to let you enjoy the music. Bye. Hi guys, I am back. I'm finished and it turned out really cute. So I hope you really enjoyed this little project I did. And before we leave out of here, I want you to give me a thumbs up. I want you to subscribe and I want you to hit that notification button. And Hyperkurl is out. Oh, wait a minute. Let me tell you something. I'll be coming back and I got something really cute. And I think you're going to enjoy it. So be looking out for it. Talk to you later, guys. Bye.